Dearly beloved, we're gathered here today. Please pass that. To remember one of our very close parts of our business. 32E came to a tragic ending on July 14, 2023. He was born on August 1st, 1977. His serial number is so old it's in Roman numerals. But I don't want to dwell on the sadness of his passing. I instead want to call upon what his life meant. He literally died doing what he was created to do. He faithfully, steadfastly stood at his post and provided hot water to families. Families who, under his watch, showered and bathed, washed the clothes on their back, and as they made meals from their heart for their family, for all sorts of occasions, the everyday types of occasions that we all should remember and hold dear, but for major, monumental, momentous events, weddings, graduations, first day of schools, he was there. All 104,000 BTUs every day firing to support those families. And he did it while barely being noticed. And for that, we're thankful. I want to show him in his younger years. That's a beautiful young heater. Just gorgeous. And then on his first day leaving for work, and he stayed at it faithfully for 46 years. May he rust in pieces.
Somebody had told me when I first got hired this was going to happen today, I would have said, you done lost your mind.